Hello all, let us see how to generate this sketch using AutoCAD. I am going to draw a vertical here, vertical line, then a horizontal. Accordingly I'll start. Okay, vertical, horizontal, bottom is, there is one more horizontal, and from there is an offset of 64 and one more offset of 60. I'll start drawing the axis lines. I'll take a line, I'll draw a line here, maybe I'll take up to 150 length, and I convert this line to a center line type. Let me change the color also to 2H color. Move it up somewhat. Okay, now the sketch is becoming smaller, so I again paste it, F8. I can paste my sketch like this, so I can easily read the dimensions accordingly. I'll draw. Okay, bottom there is one more horizontal. At some point I'll draw a horizontal line. I just need to offset this line up to a distance of 64. Oh, I got it wrong. This need to be offsetted to 64. From there one more offset of 60. Okay, this is what we did. A vertical line, then a horizontal, 64 offset, 60 offset. Now the bottom horizontal, there are two circles of diameters are not given here, so you can look at these dimensions, both will be same. Internally of 20 dia, externally there is a diameter of 34 and 20. So simply I'll try to take center diameter. One is 34 and one more is 20. Okay, two are created. Same circles, same two circles are on the top side also, which is maintaining an offset of 34. So let me offset the line first, this line to 34. Okay, there again I need to draw circles. Center diameter, here it is 20, one more is 34. Two circles are created. So I'll come to the middle again. Here there is a diameter of 30 and there is one keyway that also will try to create. Initial 30 is there and one more circle here is of 20 diameter. So I'll take center diameter, here it is of 30. One more is of 20. Okay, that offset we haven't created actually. We are not supposed to draw there. Here there is an offset 100. Okay, 100 offset need to be created first. Means 50 on both the sides. Offset this line 50 to the right and the same line 50 to the left. Okay, wherever we got an intersection there we need to create a 30 circle here. 20 circle here and one more is also 20 created. So keyway I can create. Before that let me draw the outer circle. 18 radius circles are given, 18 radius. Center radius I'll select, then I'll say here is it is of 18 and one more is also of 18, 18. So in between if you'll see circle there is a fillet of 16 radius. I'll take fillet between this circle, radius of 16, and this circle. Again a fillet between this one, radius of 16 and okay, the option is left. Okay, fine. Here then radius of 16, done. Okay, In the top, if you'll see, there is one more circle of 80 radius, but no center. We can't decide the center, so simply I can go with an option called tan 10 radius between this circle and this circle with a radius of 80. I got it. So unwanted things I'll just try to remove. I got it. This is how the shape look like, and there is a keyway. The keyway is of 8 width and height is not given, or what? Height is of 38 it is given from the base. Okay, fillet is not with respect to this circle, I think so. 30, no, 25. Okay, I just have to remove these fillets which are wrongly placed. There is one more circle actually which is of 25 radius, circle of 25 radius. Here I supposed to draw a circle of 25, then I have to create a fillets. That is okay, but let me draw the keyway from the base. It is at a height of 38. So I'll just simply from here I'll draw a line. I'll take a line from here. I'll draw a line of 4 mm. That 4 mm I'll offset. By 38. Oh, but sorry, again a mistake. Okay, now with respect to the internal circle, I supposed to create a line. L enter. From here I'll draw a line of 4, enter. Then offset this one to 38. Here is the keyway. Okay, I'll try to mirror this line with respect to vertical. Then I'll draw a straight line passing from this end. TR double enter. This is not required, this is not required. This is how the keyway look like. And this we supposed to delete. That is only to just offset the line that is required. Now again I have to create a 16 radius in between, fillet between this circle, radius of 16, and this circle, fillet between this circle and radius of 16. Okay, I'll repeat, the circle, radius of 16. Done. Unwanted things I'll remove. This portion, this portion not required. And how it is joined with respect to straight lines, tangential lines we supposed to draw. Take a line and try to start with this shift, right click, tangent with respect to this line, this circle, and shift right click, tangent this line. This is how we need to draw. Similarly other side, L enter, here shift right click, tangent from here to shift right click, tangent. So TR, unwanted things I'll remove. Then actual projection can be seen. This is how the sketch look like. Okay, and again in the top, this line I'll just remove, and again tangentially we need to join. Shift right click, tangent from this circle, shift right click tangent, this circle. Again from here, shift right click. Unless you take that option of shift right click, you won't get a tangential point. Shift right tangent, done. TR double enter to remove extensions. That's it. This is how the sketch overall look like. And internally there is a hatching. To draw the hatching with a single click, what I can do is I just remove internal things like internally passing lines. Then with a single click I can create a hatching. So H enter is the tool. Click in the middle, change the distance to 20, then you could see. Oh, before that, let me delete unwanted things I have to remove. This I have forgotten. This is done, and this outer part is also not required. Now I can do this part. This is not required. H enter here. That you could see. If you want, you can change the color. That you can keep. Anything is fine. You can change the thicknesses, in between offset distances, anything is okay. This is the overall sketch given and fulfilled with all the required tools. This is all for the session. Any doubts, any questions, you can comment in the box given. Thank you.